this hair mats. Like, I'm able to comb, because I literally just did my hair, so I'm able to comb through my hair right now. But if I go outside and do what I gotta do, run my errands, go see my man, whatever God has me doing that day, baby, it's big. It's just, hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Kennedy Elizabeth, and today I am bringing you guys a wig review on Wig Dealer's hair. It is the Indian curly or raw Indian curly hair. I have 3 bundles in my hair right now. This is a traditional sew-in, and I'm going to give you guys all the deets on what this hair is giving and what it's not giving. So it was a cute little packaging. Inside looks like, and the hair did come packaged in this. Basically what I got was, I got 3 bundles. I got the Cashmere collection Indian loose curly hair bundles in the inches of 24, 26, and 28 inches. I purchased this hair in July of 2021, but I did not first install this hair until January of this year when I did a half up, half down. Paid about $4 something for these 3 bundles, and that's what stopped me from getting the frontal, because at the time I was really heavy into wigs, so I was gonna get a frontal, but I was like, I don't want to spend all that money right now, so I'm gonna get these bundles, and then when I'm really ready to red the hair, I'll go and get the frontal. But yes, I paid about $4 something for these 3 bundles, and this is the same hair that like Jada was promoting heavy at that time in 2021. This is like July 2021, so you remember when she had like that loose curly long hair, like this is when this was going on. So I was like, okay, I got me a little check, you know what I'm saying, I'm about to see how this hair works, but I just never got around to wearing it until this year. I wanted to do a half up, half down. I didn't have any hair on hand, and this is the hair that I had on hand. So I said fuck it, and I'm going to go ahead, or I went ahead and just did that. So I did cut the 26 inches and I did put that in the back, and then I literally wrapped the ponytail with 24 inches. So 28 was never touched. Then I had that in for like a few days, maybe like a week, and then I took that out, and then I never looked back at it until July, until I installed this hair, and this is a traditional sew-in. Like I said, I have a 24, 26, and a 28. I'm going to stand up, and I'm going to let you guys see how long this hair is. I don't know about y'all, but that doesn't really seem like it is curled, but you know, yeah. So that's how long it is. I did put layers in it. The way I'm going to review this hair is I got about 6 things on here to pinpoint if it's even worth it, not worth it. Pricing, shedding, tangles, does it hold a curl, and how long does it last. Pricing, I think the pricing, it really wasn't that bad, because if I think something's ridiculous, I'm just not paying for it. So like $4 something for the hair, raw hair, and it's 28 inches. I didn't think the pricing was bad. I'm gonna be, this is an honest review, and I don't think it was that. Now for shedding. For shedding, baby, the hair sheds. The hair sheds. And again, I don't know if this is because I'm not using the right products, because when you get the instructions, like when you get the box and everything, it doesn't come with like, it comes with like care instructions, but it's just the generic care instructions. It doesn't tell you like, oh, you should use these type of shampoos, you should use a moisturizing shampoo, you should decondition it maybe twice more often than you would with virgin hair. So it's not really like detailed care instructions on how you should care for raw hair. So if you're gonna get raw hair, do your research and make sure you have the products you need, period. That leads me into my next point of it, tangles. This hair tangles so bad, y'all. It tangles so bad. Like, and if it tangles, that means it's gonna shed really bad. It's just, It's just not what I thought. And I thought when I first installed this hair, like, I thought it was me. I thought like, oh, I didn't wash the hair when I first got it. I just put the hair in and went about my day because I had something to do. So I'm like, I think it was me. But no, I've installed this hair now. I've been wearing it. I've been washing it, shampooing it, all of that, styling it. And I don't think it's me. I think it's the hair. It tangles so bad, y'all. Like, when I tell you I would have like a matted, like from combing my hair out like a ball. I mean, I keep my hair braided up, I wrap it, and I put it in a bonnet, and it still tangles. And I thought maybe it was because it was curly hair. It's because it's raw curly hair. Yeah, so right now it looks decent. It looks okay. It tangles really, really bad. It does shed, and I will say I think it holds a curl. These are wand curls, and I'll insert a clip of when I have it like curled. Now, curls don't last. I don't care who you are. Curls do not last all damn day. They will fall. The tighter the curl, the less it looks like it's falling, but it falls. I said I do live in Atlanta, so like I deal with humidity, and it's been very like rainy, so I'm dealing with the elements of outside. So I personally think that it does hold a curl. I did color this hair jet black, so I'm not really sure if like it takes color really well because I did jet black, but yeah, colored it jet black. I have been curling it, and I do feel like it does hold a curl, but like you can see, like it's not that long, and it's not a lot of hair. So all in all, do I think it's worth it? No. Yes and no. So I've gotten a blonde wig from them for my birthday, my 25th birthday, and I thought that it was like the best thing. I was like, I already had the bundles, and I just never did anything with the bundles, and I went ahead and purchased a blonde wig, a 613 wig, and I love the wig. I colored it, toned it, cut it into a bob, everything. I do love the hair. Like, I still reuse it. But something about this raw, loose Indian curly hair is just not vibing with me. And again, I think it's something that I have to try. It's like a trial and error. I think I'm gonna have to learn the products you need for raw hair. But all in all, would I go back for my next install and use this hair? No, I don't have the patience. This is some throwaway hair for me at this point. This is hair that I would probably use if I want to do a quick little sewing, like a quick weave, or if I wanted to do like a ponytail. This is the ponytail hair I'm going to use. I know I spent like almost $450, $430 on this hair. I think I might have spent $3 something on it. I'm not really sure, but I spent a lot of money. And I don't know if I had a bad batch or if I just don't know what I'm doing with raw hair. So I don't personally think it's worth it. I feel like I've had better dealings with Snob Life. And this is not staying in. I'm getting new hair. Period. I'm going to Houston and I gotta get new hair. I'm not going to be walking around in Houston's hot ass fucking heat with hair that likes to swell up and get big and mats. That's another thing. This hair mats. Like, I'm able to comb, because I literally just did my hair, so I'm able to comb through my hair right now. But if I go outside and do what I gotta do, run my errands, go see my man, whatever God has me doing that day, baby, it's big. It's just, and I'm the type of person that I'm kind of a perfectionist, and this is not a flex. I like my hair to lay down. I like my hair to look uniform. I like my hair to look neat. I like my hair to look like I stepped out of the salon. Okay? You don't get that feeling when you're wearing this. And these are bundles. But that's kind of like where I'm at with the hair.